You're here thinking about the Early Reader Club, and for good reason. It is unlike any other book club or reading program out there. It connects your child's first experiences with books they love to a fun, motivating, learn to read program. I'm sitting here with Spencer Russell from Toddlers Can Read. He is an award-winning kindergarten and first grade teacher. And together, we're going to show you why the Early Reader Club is a no-brainer. Number one, value. You get so much in this program. From age 0 to 4, you receive 3 of the highest quality books out there, delivered every other month. These are the same books that are included in the play kits the parents have been raving about for years. We've received so many requests to sell these books separately, so here we are.
And then, at age 4, your child will learn to read. You'll receive a gradual progression of reading games and books every other month. It's designed to be fun and easy for both of you, so learning to read will feel like play.
On top of all this, you get access to the Lovevery app. It has 5 stars in the App Store. This is that same app that comes with the play kits, so you'll also find many ways to play that age up with your child, week-by-week developmental tips, and fun DIY activity ideas for all areas of learning. So we talked about value. Now, number 2. These are the very best children's books out there. To date, we've sold over 9 million of these books. And like everything at Lovevery, all of our books are stage-based. So they're written to be fascinating to your child right now and stay interesting as your child grows. The newborn books are full of high contrast images to support visual development. The baby books show lots of baby faces they'll love to stare at. And they have fun features like flaps and textures for sensory and fine motor development. And there's even a floating bath book to support babbling. Toddler books show routines like brushing teeth and bedtime and getting ready in the morning, and books to help your child prepare for new experiences like a trip to the doctor or dentist, or having a babysitter put them to bed, and even potty learning. Perhaps most importantly, these books help your child learn to work through their emotions. They might cry from empathy for the first time when Max takes a tumble at the playground and skins his knee. They'll relate to feeling frustrated when it's time to clean up or when the fun ends and Rylan says no. And they'll learn how to care for a friend when they get a boo-boo. You'll be amazed at the emotional learning that can happen through these books.
Number 3, when your child is ready to start building reading skills, they're going to do so with the very best proven reading program available. We have decades of research on how children's brains learn to read. The problem is, most reading programs either ignore the research or rely on worksheets, screens, or no fun drills. That's why we've taken the time to create an award-winning phonics-based program which helps kids learn to read through games that are fun to play, paired with books that are fun to read. And most importantly, it works. 98% of children improve their reading test scores in just 6 weeks, with 94% of parents reporting that they felt more prepared to support their child with reading. So regardless of what your personal experience was like learning how to read, this program gives you the ability to make this a fun, motivating, and confidence-building experience for your child. Reading is so important, and raising a capable, confident reader starts with activities and books you'll both love.
We are so excited for you and your child to experience the Early Reader Club together.